Hi guys, this is second video about logarithms. It's about properties of logs. You can see some of the numbers written power 1 and with power 0. So you can see and we can convert them into log. For example, 5 power 1 5 is log 5 of 5 is 1. In the same way, log of 10 with base 10 is always 1. You can see the logic on the left hand side because 10 power 1 is 10. So we can generalize this result in the new rule. Okay, we can say log of a with base a is always 1, and the reason behind it is a to the power 1 is a. Okay, a can be any base, any number. Now we have with power 0, we know any number raised to the power 0 is 1. You can see some examples there: 2 power 0, 3 power 0, 5 power 0, all 1, no matter what the base is. If the power is 0, the result is 1. So we can rewrite them into logarithm as, so for example, 5 or 3, we can choose any one. Let's take 3 power 0. So 3 power 0 is 1, so log of 1 with base 3 should be 0, because the result of log is actually the exponent. So you can see two examples with log 1, either base 3 or 5, both are 0. So we can generalize log any base a of 1 is always 0. So that's the second rule, you can say. Now look on my left hand side. There is one rule where we will add two logs and we'll get to know the rules. You can see there is 2 to the power m. I have taken one example. So base is 2, power is m, the result is a. Base is 2, power is n, the result is b. If the powers are different, the results will be different, no matter the base is same. Rewrite them into log. So you can see m is log 2a and n is log 2b. Multiply them. 2 power m times 2 power n is a cross b. Now you know when you multiply, you add the exponents. So we can write it, add the power. So we can use that fact and we can add them. So we'll get 2 to the power m plus n equals to a times b. Now convert into logarithm. So log with base 2, a cross b should be m plus n, because m plus n is the exponent, 2 is the base. So remember that conversion. So now we replace m and n with log 2a and log 2b from the beginning. So this, if I say equation 1, can be written as log 2a cross b as log 2a plus log 2b. So remember it's cross, so we put plus. So I'm rewriting it log base a of a cross b. If you are multiplying two numbers in logarithm with any base, so we can separate them with plus. And this rule can be used in both ways. Either you convert from plus to times or from times to plus. So I have given some examples here. So we can, I have mentioned the rule. So there is one question here for you. Log 12 and log 3, both bases are 6. So we can simplify this. Because it is plus, so we should multiply. Remember that. And if it is minus, we should divide. We'll see in the few examples. So log c, let me write that sum, because we are adding it. So it should be multiplied. So 12 times 3, which is 36. And 36 is actually 6 square. So we can bring that power in front, because log of 6 and 6 is 1. Therefore, the result is 2. There is one more example. 50 over 3 and 15 over 10. The base is 5 in both cases. So we can still apply the same rule because it is plus. So we should multiply. no matter it's a fraction, okay, don't worry. So 50 over 3 times 15 over 10. So we just need to multiply. I'm writing them separately and then we multiply them for a single log. The purpose is to convert them into single log. So log base 5, 50 over 3 times 15 over 10, and you can simplify this, which gives you actually 25, but I can show you that. 50 divided by 10 is 5, and 15 divided by 3 is again 5, so it's 25. And you know which power of 5 is 25? It's actually 2, so we can say it's 5 square, therefore the result is 2. Always look at the exponent. So it's 2. Now there's very similar rule with the minus. If you are subtracting two different logs with the same base a, okay, so I'm writing its difference, it means we divided, okay, so like in exponent rules. So it's from the exponent laws. So one of the laws says if you divide same base and you subtract the exponents, so we can apply the same rule here. So log a 36 and 9, so we need to divide that. Just pay attention to the rule, a minus b, so you need to divide. Remember, there will be only one log. So check the example given. So we should just write log base 4 36 divided by 9, which is 4, and same number with the same base, always 1. Let's try one more. So we have, I've taken some variables here, not fixed numbers. So you can see x is the base, x power 4 times y, it's minus, so we should divide. Divided by xy, and you simplify this, you will get log x with x power 3, because y and y will cancel out. Therefore the result should be 1. The result should be the exponent of x, so it's 3. So 3 times 1 is 3. So here is the summary, guys. You can pause the video and take your notes, and I have mentioned all these all together. For example, the first one is about the same number with the same base, then the power. So the power can be written in front. If it is plus, we multiply, and if it is minus, we always divide. Subtraction means divide. If you have two rules together, remember, if it is plus, multiply them. If it is minus, just divide it. Okay, so thank you.